This is the first recording using my goggles that I got, DJI Goggles, with the drone. You can see them there, the white things on my head, and they're plugged into the controller, and I can see everything the drone camera sees. I'm flying the drone by what I see on the camera right now. This is just a test. And a little 5 or 6 minute flight around the trailer park and across the road over there, just to see how easy it is. And it turns out I mean, this is the first time I actually flew with them. Yesterday, I got them, I think, in the mail yesterday. And last night I was playing, hooking them up and to the controller and making sure I was getting the image and that kind of stuff. And it seemed to work pretty good, but of course I wasn't seeing anything from outside. I could see the camera image that I could see the camera image and everything that I was getting off the camera, but it's not the same as being out here flying. I wanted to make sure everything worked as I was flying, and apparently it did. So right now I am editing it in Adobe Premiere Elements 14, and video editing program. And I'm adding the voice track right now with my microphone as I play it back and on my computer, and it's a pretty good picture. Of course, it's the same picture you'd get without the goggles. You don't see any of the goggle imagery. That's just for when you're flying and for the first person view. So you're seeing the same thing you'd see if I did this recorded on my tablet, looking at my tablet on the controller. But it turned out to be surprisingly easy. No vertigo, no nothing, just no outside distractions, no outside light. Hard to explain. Easy to do. Anyway, this is the very first flight, so I had no problems. Actually, it was easier coming in for a landing and landing on my little takeoff pad there. You can see that little black slab of wood there. It's just a slice out of a tree. It makes a perfect launch pad for a drone. There it is. I'd say it was just a little slightly easier to land with the goggles than to watch it with open air. They got the goggles up there. Touchdown. Over and out.